Your home's exterior is its first line of defense against the elements, and in Laurel's ever-changing climate, that defense matters. From heavy rain and high winds to hot summer days and chilly winters, your home endures a lot throughout the year. One simple yet highly effective upgrade that more and more homeowners in Laurel are choosing is the installation of storm doors. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to improve your home's comfort, security, and curb appeal, here are some key benefits of installing storm doors for your Laurel home, and why they're worth considering. Added protection against the elements. Storm doors are designed to shield your primary exterior door from harsh weather. Whether it's torrential rain, snow, or strong gusts of wind, your storm door serves as an extra barrier to keep moisture and debris from reaching your main door. Over time, exposure to the elements can wear down your entry door, causing warping, fading, or peeling paint. A storm door extends the lifespan of your main door by protecting it from these conditions. This not only keeps your entryway looking great but also saves you money on repairs or replacement in the long run. Improved energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a top concern for many Laurel homeowners, and a storm door can help improve it significantly. Acting as an additional layer of insulation, a storm door reduces drafts and helps maintain a consistent indoor temperature year-round. In winter, it helps keep warm air inside and cold air out, while in summer, it can prevent hot air from entering your home. This added efficiency means your heating and cooling system doesn't have to work as hard, which can lead to lower energy bills and a more comfortable home. Enhanced security. Modern storm doors often come with robust locking systems and sturdy frames, providing an extra layer of security for your home. With an additional door in place, it becomes more challenging for potential intruders to gain entry. Some storm doors are made from durable materials like steel or aluminum and feature shatter-resistant glass, giving you peace of mind knowing your home has added protection. A well-installed storm door is a simple, affordable way to improve your home's overall security. Increased natural light and ventilation. One of the most enjoyable benefits of a storm door is the ability to let more natural light and fresh air into your home without compromising security or comfort. Many storm doors feature interchangeable glass and screen panels, so you can open your main door to enjoy a breeze on a nice day while keeping bugs and debris outside. This versatility helps create a brighter, more inviting living space and allows you to take advantage of Laurel's pleasant weather when it arrives. Enhanced curb appeal. A storm door can also give your home's exterior an instant upgrade. Available in a variety of styles, colors, and finishes, storm doors can complement your home's design and make your entryway look more polished and welcoming. Whether you prefer a full-view glass storm door that showcases your beautiful front door or a more traditional design with decorative panels, you can find an option that suits your taste and enhances your home's curb appeal. Final thoughts. Installing a storm door on your Laurel home is a smart, affordable investment that pays off in many ways. From protecting your main door and boosting energy efficiency to improving security, ventilation, and curb appeal, A storm door adds value and comfort to your home year-round. For the best results, work with a trusted local professional who can help you choose the right style and ensure it's installed properly. With a high-quality storm door in place, you can enjoy a more beautiful, secure, and efficient home, no matter what the Laurel weather brings.